Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use RoleMantic anime friend chat. So basically this is AI roleplay app. Like if you really like anime, then you can use this app. So simply tap on the open button. After installing this, then you'll get the interface like this. So what you need to do, so first of all you need to create your account if you want to get all the feature. Then you can see, like you can create your account through this. So simply tap on the sign in, then you can see normal receive, just cut it and sign in. Then you have to sign in. Okay, wait a second. So my profile, okay, so you don't need to create your account. Actually they don't see anything, so you don't need to create your account. So first of all you need to choose the person you're going to talk. So maybe, okay, I'm just choosing randomly. Tap here and say hello or hi. So you're low making, so it's really easy, you can talk with them. So you have to find the character you're going to choose. So you can type, okay, if you don't like, then simply tap the cross, and if you like it, then tap the love button. And this is discover. You can discover and you can find the character and you can message them. This is your account, so I'm just going to choose randomly, and you can see chat now. So once you tap chat now, then you can see store, background, delete, report. So I'm just going to choose, okay, they give you some rule and regulation. So I'm just going to say hi, and they give you reply, and you can copy this thing here. So it's really easy. If you really talk, then you can try it.